just wanted to show you guys a lot of the hike today was, kind of like ridge walking, where it's straight down on the right and then it's just straight down on the left. And it's kind of crazy. I guess all the rain and the snow saturates the ground, and then when the wind comes, these large trees and root bases just pull right up. I mean, this is pretty large. I expect it's like, 20 feet tall. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. Huge trees just laying on their side. All right, catch you guys later. Hey everybody, I'm about 5 miles into the hike today. Super foggy this morning. It's been raining on and off, so I just ducked into the shelter and put on my rain gear just to stop from getting any more wet than I'm already am. So I got about 7 more miles to go today. I'll make it, no problem. Hoping to get there about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And that's it. That is that will be like a 13-mile day today. So, all right, got my gear on, got my backpack covered, and gonna step out and get some miles behind me. All right, see you at the shelter. Bye-bye. Hey everybody, just wanted to show you some of the trail here. I am about, let's see, I think I've gone over the 6,000 foot mark a few times today, so I'm just kind of bouncing around, a little bit up, a little bit down. But yeah, the trail keeps changing. This is a very nice part of the trail. I love the green. The trees are beautiful. It looks like the sun is coming out just a little bit, so it stopped raining. Just beautiful. I think I have about 6 miles to go. All right, I'll catch you when I get to the shelter. Hey everybody, made it into camp, had a great day hiking. We hiked a total of 13 miles today, so it's a pretty good day. Got into camp pretty early, got a little fire going, and just getting settled in for the night. So after that, today it rained quite a bit. The sun did come out for a little while, but it was raining on and off most all day. And my cousin Ann was asking if my gear was waterproof, and I thought I'd talk a little bit about that today. So yes, my boots are waterproof. That was something that was very important. As a matter of fact, walking through the snow and the water and the mud, my feet really didn't get wet at all. There's a little bit of water came through where the shoelaces enter and a little bit on top, but not bad at all. And the other gear that I have is all geared to keeping things dry, because it's important to keep what you have dry. And so I have, starting with my shoes, they're waterproof for sure. I have a rain jacket and rain pants. A lot of people spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on that. I literally went to Amazon, read the reviews, and I think my outfit cost like $35. It works great, no issues there. As far as my backpack, everything that goes like inside my backpack, I have it sorted in those color-coded bags. Like blue is for my laundry, red is my safety and health bag, and yellow is my hygiene bag, and then gray is my electronics bag. All of those individual bags are waterproof, and they go inside my backpack. My backpack itself, there's a liner that you can buy that goes inside the backpack. I didn't buy that. I basically just put a big black trash bag in there, and I use that as another layer to keep things dry. Here's a little hiker hack. On cold nights and you just can't seem to get warm enough in your sleeping bag, you can use that trash bag that's inside your backpack. Just put your legs in it as far as you can get, and then get inside your sleeping bag. It'll give you another 5 or so degrees of warmth when you're sleeping. I did have to do that a couple of times in the Smokies. So I have the inside lined with a trash bag, and on the outside I did buy an outside rain cover for my backpack, just as another barrier against the rain. So that works out well. So in addition to all that, I actually have a poncho too. I use the poncho. I sit on it. I'll lay it out and have a snack, or I'll put it across a bench and sit on it. And I've actually used it as a poncho too if I didn't want to put my whole rain suit on. So I really do have several layers of barriers just to keep everything dry. And so far it's worked. I've not been, wet or saturated. Other people have come in and they're just wringing water out of their socks. But no, I've been pretty dry. There was one time when you're wearing all of that, you tend to kind of stew on the inside. I didn't realize that I had gotten my shirt and all that was so wet. When I took my jacket off and sat by the fire, it was so cold. It was almost just misting off of me. It was almost like I was a superhero and I was just misting away. But yeah, you really have to pay attention to staying dry, especially if it's cold. Like, it's okay to be cold as long as you're not wet. And it's okay to be wet if it's warm outside. But you don't want to be wet and cold. That's when, serious things can happen. But I have some good equipment. I put a lot of research in it. And so far, I've stayed dry the whole time. So anyway, just thought I'd talk about some of the things that I'm doing to stay dry and to stay warm. So, but this is it. I have one more day of hiking and I'll be out of the Smokies. So I'm going to call it a night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.